In this video lecture, we will discuss about citrate utilization test. Citrate utilization test, it comes under the one of the four tests, that is IMVIG test. So in this video lectures, we will discuss about the citrate utilization test. In that we will see requirement, procedure and the principle of citrate utilization test. To perform the citrate utilization test, we required sample or the culture we required, and the second things we required sterile Siemens citrate agar slant, which is green in color, Siemens citrate agar slant. Before we go further, we should know about the composition of the Siemens citrate agar slant. It is consists of sodium citrate, NaCl, ammonium phosphate, bromothiamyl blue, agar, and we maintain the pH around 6.9. Okay, this is the composition of the Siemens citrate agar slant, which is consist of sodium citrate. It is a sole source of carbon, or we can say that the single source of carbon, that is sodium citrate in the Siemens citrate agar slant. NaCl, it will maintain the osmotic pressure in the medium. Ammonium phosphate, that will provide the nitrogen source. Bromothiamyl blue, it is an pH indicator dye. It is an pH indicator dye, and that is the agar, and we maintain the pH around 6.9. This is what the composition of the Siemens citrate agar slant, which is consist of sodium citrate, that will provide the sole source of carbon in the medium. NaCl, that will maintain the osmotic pressure. Ammonium phosphate, it will provide the nitrogen source. Bromothiamyl blue, which is an pH indicated dye. Agar is there, and the pH we maintain around 6.9. Originally Siemens citrate agar slant, which is green in color. Now we will see the procedure. First of all, we will take the Siemens citrate agar slant, which is originally green in color, and we will take our sample or the culture and we will streak over here, and we will incubate this Siemens citrate agar slant in the incubator at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. On the next day, we will observe the color change from green to blue. If there is the color change from green to blue, then we say that citrate utilization test is positive. If there is no color change, then we say that Siemens citrate utilization test is negative. Okay, now we will discuss the principle for the citrate utilization test. As we know that single source of carbon in the medium, that is sodium citrate. Sodium citrate is a sole source of carbon, or we can say that the single source of carbon in the Siemens citrate agar slant, that is sodium citrate. Now, if organism is having citrate permease enzyme, if organism having the citrate permease enzyme, that will convert the sodium citrate into sodium plus citrate. Now this citrate will come inside the cell, that will come inside this cell. Now organisms will utilize this citrate, and this citrate will oxidize to pyruvate plus carbon dioxide. Now this carbon dioxide will liberate, that will come under the slant, and it will liberate and it will react with sodium. Now this carbon dioxide will react with sodium and it will form the sodium carbonate. It will form the sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate, which is a alkaline compound. Due to this, pH will increase. Due to the alkaline compound, the pH will increase. And due to this, bromothiamyl blue will detect. It will change from green to blue. It will detect blue. So this is what the principle of the citrate utilization test. Again I am repeating, sodium citrate, it is a sole source of carbon in the slant. Now if organism in the given culture or a sample, if organism is having citrate permease enzyme, it will convert sodium citrate into sodium plus citrate. Now it has been converted into the sodium plus citrate. Organisms will take the citrate inside the cell. It will take citrate inside the cell and it will oxidize this citrate into pyruvate plus carbon dioxide. Now this carbon dioxide will liberate out, that will come under this slant, and it will react with sodium. As we know that NaCl that is present in the medium, that will maintain the osmotic pressure. Now carbon dioxide will react with sodium and it will form sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate, which is ultimately it is an alkaline compound. Due to this, the pH will increase. Now the pH will increase, the bromothiamyl blue, which is a pH indicated dye that is already present in the medium, that will detect blue. Okay. This is the Simmons citrate agar slant, which is originally green in color. And here we have already streaked our culture. If organism having the citrate permease enzyme and it will convert those reaction. So if it is produce some alkaline compound, so the pH will detect, the bromothiamyl blue will detect blue. So this will convert it into the blue, green to blue. So we see that citrate utilization test is positive. If it is as it is green in color, then we see that citrate utilization test for the given culture or the sample, that is negative.